In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a girl voice on Voicemod. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the option to use girl and other AI voices inside of the latest version of Voicemod. So go to www.voicemod.net and download the latest version of Voicemod. If you are on the website, you can select AI voices to trial these voices. As you can see, the third one they have is called Alice. Alice is a girl voice that they have available that you can play in preview over here at the website. You also have other options, but for a girl voice, Alice is the best. In this page, they also have detailed explanations on how this works. Keep in mind that you don't have to use the default Alice voice that they offer. You will be able to change the page volume and other settings when you go to set it up, as you can see over here at the right side of the screen. As you can see, they also have a blog post about how this works if you want to go into more details, but as you can see, all you have to do is select the voice box at the top and then choose Alice. You will be able to add a keybind by selecting the Add Keybind button at the right side of the screen or under Alice. Simply select Alice, apply the changes, and as long as your microphone is connected through VoiceBox, you will be able to use this female voice instead of any game or whenever you use your microphone. Just make sure to have it selected and applied. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a girl voice on Voicemod. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.